Okay, so today my daughter is going to do a dissection. So we ordered a kit from Home Science Tools. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But she's in ninth grade. She's doing biology this year. And I'll just show you, what came in it and everything. Okay, so this is how it came. It has some wadded paper on top. And then there's this box below, and the box is empty. So it's a nice cardboard box labeled here. Okay, so this one is the Introductory Dissection Kit. In her biology lesson, it had just said for her to dissect a fish. That was it. And where we used to live, about 4 hours away, her friend is doing the exact same curriculum, and so we're doing this at the same time, and we're actually going to do the dissection together this morning, here in about 30 minutes. Even though they're like 4.5 hours apart, we're going to use, a video app to where they can see each other dissecting at the same time and talk about it and all that stuff. But anyway, so her lesson said to dissect the fish, or you didn't even have to dissect anything. You could watch a video about it. But I was about to buy, I think it was called the Intermediate Dissection Kit. I'm not sure. It had like 7 different animals in there. But I was thinking that most of them would probably go bad before we actually used them all. So this one has 3. And they also had a kit to where you could just buy the fish by itself, but I really wanted her to, to have more than one to dissect. Okay, so it looks like there's a magazine in here. Okay, I had to pause it so I could take out, the personal information with their address and that type of stuff. But there was a slip of paper that had our, address and everything. So this is just a magazine. And then, since there are 3 animals, it came with 3 foam plates to dissect on. It came with how to care for the preserved animals. So this is going to give us a frog dissection guide, earthworm, and grasshopper. Okay, so it just, tells you what to do and what parts to look for. It's just one sheet. Okay. Alright, and then it has, I may have to put the phone down. Okay, I can open it. Then it also came with a dissection kit here, the actual tools that you'll need. Okay, so it came with some sterile surgical blades, a ruler, some of these things, some sharp scissors, a little dropper, tweezers, a scalpel, and these 2 little things look like some kind of pick. Anyway, there's a scalpel. Well, part of it, you put these blades in the scalpel. Okay, so that's that little kit. And here are the specimens, as they call them. Sorry. Okay, so they are all 3 in one package. It's not, airtight. I mean, not airtight. What's that word? It's not vacuumed. It's not a vacuumed bag. You can still see there's some fluid in there. But this is the frog. Pretty good size. See the underside of him. And then it's a pretty long worm. And then the grasshopper. Let me see if I can clear that up for you. You can see part of his leg up there. broke off, so there's part of his leg. Anyway, so yes, they're going to dissect one of these, at least, today. So, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so you may be asking, like, if this came with any, you know, dry ice or, a cooler environment thing. No, it just came in this box, as you see, by, just the post office, I believe. I don't think it was UPS. I'm pretty sure it was just the post office. But anyway, so, oh, and just so you know, we have had this for, I think, almost 2 weeks now. It actually arrived a couple weeks ago, and I have kept it downstairs in the storage room. It's like, it stays around 60 degrees down there, so that's where I have kept it. I've not kept it in the fridge or anything, and it's still all pretty stiff and together. The leg of the grasshopper was broke off as soon as I opened the box when I, first got it. So, anyway, well, thank you for watching.